Welcome back. In this video, I will demonstrate how simple it is to manage your website as the administrator. So we're already logged in as the administrator. We'll begin at People under Manage. And now this is where you're going to maintain all of your employee information and settings, such as worker hourly labor rates. When we click there, you'll see your list of employees and the pay rate information. Now say Dan Smith has just received an hourly pay increase. Click Edit, make the change and click Update. And now every time we add labor hours to a work order for Dan Smith, it's going to update with the correct information. Also under People is where you will assign a worker to a property. And this refers back to our Receive Work Orders queue. When we selected the work category, the system assigned the work order to the appropriate tradesperson for that property. So for example, when we requested our work order earlier in the demos from Hurlburt High, and then we selected an electrical request as the work category, it assigned it to Tom Rayburn, and you'll see that's because here it shows that Tom is the electrical tradesperson at Hurlburt High. And moving on to Places, we'll click on Property Profiles, and you'll see that the Google map has all of the property sites represented. And we'll select Hurlburt High as an example, and you'll see that this is where you can update your property information. Now under Inventory and Suppliers is where you can track your assets and consumables. We'll click on Asset Inventory as an example, and you'll see here reference the equipment number as well as the item number, type, and the property that it's located at. Under Inventory and Suppliers is also where you can create a reference list of your manufacturers and suppliers. We'll click on Suppliers as an example. Moving on to Website. Now in the first video, I explained that you can easily change your text as well as upload your own image on the welcome page, and this is where you would do that. So we'll click on Homepage Text and Edit. And you'll see how easy it is to actually add text, delete text, or even format it. So if we wanted to add an additional note here, and then maybe we want this italicized, and click Update. When we click on the home page, you'll see that it added that note. Very easy to do. Also under Website is where you can update your system defaults and settings. As an example, your email notifications to Originator. You'll remember in our queue that right-hand column, Email Notify Originator, all the boxes were checked, and that's because you'll see here this is checked, so it's set that way in the default and setting. And that concludes our presentation of the Administrator's Manage menu in Maintenance Connect Pro.